education and learning. That's me.
Oh, hi.
Oh, jeepers, you found me. Good job. I'm glad you found me. Look, I have something kind of important to say.
There's no escaping this place. It's pure hell. Just get out. Get out. Get out. Get